Good morning. Good morning. Wake up. Wake up. It's tea station time with Grandma Sandy. We are doing this all mostly in pink and white, even though there's a few things sprinkled all about that are a little bit of red and white. We have to have our little candy cane spoons, don't we? I always love them for my tea station. And I thought these were more pink, but they don't know if they're pink or red and white. But we make do the best we can. Well, let's see what Grandma did today for about $11. What did Grandma buy new? Come on now, think. What do you look on here that you haven't seen before? Come on, you can do it. Okay, I'll give you a few hints. I bought these beautiful pink roses. Tea roses is what the tag said, from Dollar Tree. There is 4 bunches, 1 at each side and 2 in the center. I thought it looked really nice. I bought 3 boxes of candy at $1 a piece at Dollar Tree. Happy Heart Days, isn't that beautiful? And I bought some heart napkins also. And we already wrote off all the beautiful heart that are placed on the white doilies, and the white doilies we've already wrote off also. And the white tray with the hearts, we've already used that also too. We do have 2 cute a little dog and a little bear for Valentine's, and they were $1 a piece. And then the XOXO sign was $1 also at Dollar Tree. I really liked it, and I probably will not do it this year, but next year I'm going to spray paint this and use it in a different way. So it's just that it was brand new, and I hate to start doing projects with it because it's brand new. And then of course this beautiful wooden sign also is from Dollar Tree, and it's just plain, but it's beautiful, great for a DIY project for next year. Okay, then we have this beautiful tray we've already seen in past posts, and I got these beautiful decorated cupcakes from Cupcake Espresso Bar. It's a great place to go. Please go give it a try. You'll be amazed at all the beautiful pastries and food they have at that location at 300 State Street in Redlands, California, in the Citibank building. Oh my gosh, I thought it turned out pretty good for about $11. At least I think that's what I spent. Let's count it up. We did 4 roses is $4. 3 containers of candy makes it 7. 8 and 9 make it the signs, and $2 more for the little stuffed animals makes it 11. So we spent about $11. I'm going to write those napkins off on another post, since I only used a couple of them, just to give a little more color on this post. Well, I thought it looked pretty nice for what I spent. You know, Grandma, she's cheap. She doesn't want to spend a ton of money. And the best part of all these items I'll probably be reposting in some more videos. Hope you come back and see what Grandma does for Valentine's Day this year. And you know what else I forgot to mention? I don't know. Maybe I did. These little suckers here. I'm not going to count these as a cost either, because I only used 3, and I have, like I said, some more posts coming up, and I'll write them off that, because all these things you see I'll be using in more posts And we need to share the cost over a few more posts. And I have a few more things that are brand new, along with things I haven't even showed you from last year. So I hope you enjoyed this pink and white tea station. Please don't forget, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought, what maybe I could have done different to make it look a little better. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Until the next video, kisses and hugs for all of my awesome friends and followers. XOXO, look at my little friends. They're all excited for their photo op at the end of this video. Please stay tuned and watch the slideshow. Bye-bye for now. Well, as you can see, I've moved things around a little. I have taken the cups and saucers away. This is a small area in my kitchen, and I wanted to make sure I had enough room. So I removed them. I did put all 4 cupcakes on the tray now. They look very nice on the tray, don't you think? And I leaving the pink hearts on the doily. I thought it looked pretty, and I'm leaving all the pink accessories also. I did remove some of the roses and baby breath for I'd have a little more room, like I said also. But it still looks nice. What do you think? Sometimes we need to pare back when we have small spaces. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy until the very end. Hope you enjoyed this add-on to the end.